Hi, we're going to make muffins with an extra twist. I use bamboo developed by Vogel. We will get a mocha taste without the caffeine. 4 spoonfuls. You can pour in the spelt flour. We often bake muffins with the girls. 2 teaspoons of baking flour and vanilla sugar. We'll see what happens with so many bakers. Regular dark cocoa powder. Then add the milk, 1 egg, and melted butter. The girls and my husband think muffins should always have topping. I'm not so much into it. Take some into your hand. This is our topping. Bake for 20 minutes. While the muffins are baking, I'll make myself a cup of Bambu drink. I'll pour in hot water. It's like a mixture of cocoa and coffee.